Hello everyone. So I believe this is the February box for your creative studio. It's been a little confusing with the shipping delays. I don't want to confuse anyone more, but I did find this on the box. So maybe they're using April to replace February, I don't know. I'll have the correct information in the description and the title probably. So here is, ooh, I see roses, hats, gloves, looks like maybe gardening stuff, boots. That is the card. If you have a garden and a library, you have everything you need. Marcus Tullius Cicero, I hope that's how you pronounce it correctly. Setting that aside. So I think garden theme might be in store for us here. Let's slip the tissue paper out. I see some washi. These look like, ooh, feels like wood stamp maybe. Oh, excuse me, my phone is making noise. I didn't turn it off. My apologies. Alright, we have one wood stamp here. That looks beautiful. I will hold it up in a second here. And another stamp here. Let's see if we can get a good focus on that. And I will stamp these out momentarily. I'm not really sure if that was focusing really well or not. This one looks like a kind of like a wooden cart with bouquet of flowers coming out of it, and it looks like it's on water. It has like reflection lines. Alright, these images here, the broken jar with roses and the little cart with flowers, I stamped out in Versamark ink, and I'm gonna let it focus here. It's beautiful, intricate. So my Versamark Onyx Black, so you see the reflection there. I think I'd like to try that one in a lighter stamp, maybe a gray or something, and color in the roses, or light browns. There's some washi. Let me just open this. Okay, that was challenging to open. It's a cute little sticker image on the front there. Aha. That was really difficult to find the end of that. Oh dang, it's not pulling off nicely. Alright. So it's a little squashed on that side or something. Well, that's not cool. It seems that, I'm not sure how to fix that, but the side, it's got like perforation on the side as well. Maybe that's supposed to make it pull off better, but it definitely, okay, maybe, no, it tore. Dang. That's annoying. So, could be user error, folks, but I'm having a lot of difficulty with this. I do like how it's perforated. These are like, it kind of would look like a postage stamp, you know, but it is, let me grab this paper here, a little messy, a little messier than I even like. And I don't know if you can tell, but those are perfume bottles. That's pretty interesting. I don't think I've had anything like that before. And flower images. So it's doing a little better as I go. But yeah, be careful with this one. We'll just set that aside. What do we have? Ooh, what do we have here? Look at this. Branches of flowers. That came off nicely. The thing I was saying ooh to is it looks like there's an actual flower in here. Like a dried flower. Oh, that didn't open all the way. And what is that, a sticker? Are they all stickers? Good question. Oh, look, a couple of my blooms are still in the package. I won't lose those. So that's like a washi sticker there. And this is very delicate. I have not seen anything like that before. I really wish I knew what kind of flower that is. And so yeah, it seems, I think these are all washi stickers because they have like that acetate backer. At least the ones here. And I think there's a combination of paper ephemera as well. Set those here. These ones look like paper. Let's see if it's a sticker though. I don't think so. Look at its thorns. Well, that's interesting. It says that, but I don't see any thorns there. Do you guys see any thorns? I don't know. Hopefully that's focusing. Okay. This is beautiful. It's like a doily. I love this with the little, I love writing lines because I'm one of those people that writes not very straight, you know. Lily, smooth, happy, blessed, and noble. I agree. Ooh, this one feels different. It's got almost a texture. It's very smooth on this side. At 8 o'clock in the evening primrose shows her quiet face at 8 o'clock. I put my nose close to the flowers and I could smell the fragrance. That is, it's scripted there. I'm taking too long probably. Oh, mushrooms, not my favorite, but my daughter loves them. Know who's gonna get that. And, ooh, this one's like my favorite. Hope to have passionate love with you. Whoa! Whoa, I might just cut that. That's what that says down there. My face just turned red. Okay. Oh my goodness. And I'm not even going to read all of these. I don't know how to recover from that. I was not expecting it to say that. Okay, so here, oh look at that. It looks like Arabic. That's cool. Script. I mean, it's very hard to tell, but I'm gonna guess that. Look at this. I just love these backers because it's a, you know, instant journaling card. I just cover up the back with papers or coffee dyed scraps, whatever. Beautiful. These are stickers. I'm speaking from experience there, but maybe I should show you just to be sure. Yes. And they look like postage stamps, and these are all floral, and I love all things nature, except mushrooms, of course. I appreciate their beauty, but I don't like them personally. Here's a stamp set. Oh, we're gonna have to stamp that out too. We have a hat, some larger garden tools and smaller garden tools. We'll turn it sideways here. We have gloves, a watering can, and the words Happy Bloom and Garden Time. And of course the pruning shears, don't forget them. So cute set. I really like the envelope that it comes in. It's really good quality. And these are just cling stamps. Love these. They're a clear sticker, transparent. I like they're photorealistic. I do like that style, photorealistic. Here's some sticky notes. Looks like they're all the same pattern. I love the packaging that the Your Creative Studio uses for their custom items because it's all reusable in journals, and so these make great journaling cards because they're thicker, or tags, things like that you might want to be thicker. That's lovely. Alright, we have 2 more packages here. I'm going to go ahead and open both of them real quick. So there are 2 more things beyond these packages also. Oh, these are like the tags, like in the butterfly, the December box. It's got the same weight, I'd say. Beautiful roses and a nice rustic vintage looking wheelbarrow. This one's interesting. Is that a garden hose holder? Maybe. Or something. And I like, can you see the little snail on the handle there? Vintage looking watering can full of roses. There's some bugs coming out here. I got a beetle here and a cute little snail. They're growing on me over the years. I like this spade. It's got an interesting bend there, but nice watering pot full of flowers. And of course we have a pair of gardening gloves, the hat that we saw in the card. Rubber boots, that's cute. This would be really cute on a card, a spring card. Actually, a lot of these would be cute on a card. It's a bit thick, but I think since it's small enough, you know, or maybe even, ooh, to make it a little dimensional, it'd be great with some foam tape. We got a trowel and whatever that other thing is called. Ooh, and a garden gnome. You can tell that's not my favorite, huh? I'm not a big fan of gnomes either. That's it for this tag weight set of ephemera, paper ephemera, and I'm making a huge mess here. And then we have the paper ephemera, another beautiful card, and then we have, these are paperweight. Oh, there's the gnome again, and ooh, I love the wood grain there. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Oops. And here's our cute little snail. with a lovely postage mark there. I like this one a lot too. And then the last ones are same images, but printed on vellum. So you get them in paper, and then you get the subtle vellum look. Lastly, but not least, we have a sticker sheet. And is this a single sheet? Oh no, I'll get to that in a moment. Here is the stickers. They are I believe they are transparent. Yep. And they are coordinating with all the previous images. Let's open this up. It feels very light. Oh, wow. I thought there was one sheet in there. There it is. Uh-oh. Trouble. Okay, I think there's still one in there. These are probably the lightest weight item I have received. It's like tissue paper. That's what it is like. Except it feels a little stronger than tissue paper that you wrap, like that you stuff in gift bags and stuff. It will tear easily. I'm just going to tear off the glove. Oh, well, I'm trying to. This will be great for collage. It has, like, this side feels stronger. I'm not sure if that's the right word. Like, more plasticky, but it's not. I can't think of what it is. But yeah, this side has a sheen, and this side is completely matte. So I hope that helps for whatever it's worth. Thank you for joining me as I unbox I believe it's the February box from Your Creative Studio. I hope you have a wonderful and creative day. Bye!